My name is John Otter. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at James Cook University. Consumers in Australia and around the world are demanding for meat and meat products that are healthy, nutritious, juicy, acceptable level of omega-3. And therefore, my current project is attempting to develop a DNA marker that we can give livestock producers in Australia to breed for livestock that will produce meat and meat products with an acceptable level of omega-3 in them. This is important because it will help the livestock producers earn premiums and also be able to satisfy the demands of consumers. And thirdly, this will help to stop the overexploitation of marine lives. Over to you, Shang.
Hi, John, and hi, everyone. I'm Trang, a research officer at International Livestock Research Institute, Hanoi, Vietnam. You know, in Vietnam, there was some study that have focused on improving the hygienic practice at pig slaughterhouse. But the concept of animal welfare is still not familiar with farmers, even with the local veterinarians or local authorities. Therefore, my study is aiming to understand the knowledge and practice of slaughterhouse workers and the demands of consumers about animal welfare. This may contribute to a further practical intervention to improve animal welfare at slaughterhouse. Back to John.
Chang and I are enjoying the workshop and the scenario. This is because it has helped us to improve our research capabilities. Over to you, Chang.
So that's why we choose to work with scenario 1 on development of research question. Over to John.
Scenario 1 is directly applicable to us because we are at the beginning of our research project. This has helped us to refine and sharpen our research question. Over to you, Chang.
Yes, so in this scenario, we have three main take-home messages. First, being specific when you developing your research question and what you want to research. It was a very broad topic when I written down some first questions for my study, but I have realized that it's difficult to identify the strategy for the next steps. So I try to narrow down and divide those research questions into different specific questions. So remember, the more specific your research question, the easier later to develop and refine your objective and the strategy for conducting the research. Secondly, write out all the ideas about your research and keep it. This did help me see how my research questions were developed and sharpened, so it will help to refine my research later. So John will tell you the later one.
Thirdly, scenario 1 has helped me to identify the groups that will benefit from my research project. And the groups that I was able to identify were the livestock producers of Australia and the beef consumers in Australia.
Team
Team Rock
Rock
Goat.
Gut. Yeah, we would like to thank AVP, Red, Vanua, University of Melbourne, and other partners for giving us, young researchers, the opportunity to participate in this workshop and the chance to making new friends and to discover new knowledge and also advance our research capabilities. Thanks a lot and bye
Bye
bye.
bye.